Hi everyone, it's me, Lubna. Today is Wednesday, September 25th, 2024. This video is dedicated to my beloved, and the topic of this video is going to be about how true passion is quiet and controlled, contrary to our popular belief of what characterizes passion. So I have been reading this book, The Road Less Traveled, A New Psychology of Love, Traditional Values, and Spiritual Growth by the psychiatrist Peck, MD. And this morning I started reading a subsection that was titled, Love is Disciplined. And I wanted to read the first paragraph of that subsection aloud to you today. So this is the section, and I'm going to go ahead and read that aloud to you now. Here it goes. I have indicated that the energy for the work of self-discipline derives from love, which is a form of will. It follows then not only that self-discipline is usually love translated into action, but also that any genuine lover behaves with self-discipline, and any genuinely loving relationship is a disciplined relationship. If I truly love another, I will obviously order my behavior in such a way as to contribute the utmost to his or her spiritual growth. A young, intelligent, artistic, and bohemian couple with whom I once attempted to work had a 4-year marriage marked by almost daily screaming, dish-throwing, and face-clawing quarrels, along with weekly casual infidelity and monthly separations. Shortly after we began our work, they each correctly perceived that therapy would lead them toward increasing self-discipline and consequently to a less disorderly relationship. But you want to take the passion out of our relationship, they said. Your notions of love and marriage leave no room for passion. Almost immediately thereafter, they quit therapy. And it has been reported to me that 3 years later, after several bouts with other therapists, their daily screaming matches and the chaotic pattern of their marriage continue unchanged, as well as the unproductivity of their individual lives. There is no doubt that their union is, in a certain sense, a highly colorful one, but it is like the primary colors in the paintings of children, splashed on the paper with abandon, occasionally not without charm, but generally demonstrating the sameness that characterizes the art of young children. In the muted, controlled hues of Rembrandt, one can find the color, yet infinitely more richness, uniqueness, and meaning. Passion is feeling of great depth. The fact that a feeling is uncontrolled is no indication whatsoever that it is any deeper than a feeling that is disciplined. To the contrary, psychiatrists know well the truth of the old proverbs, shallow brooks are noisy and still waters run deep. We must not assume that someone whose feelings are modulated and controlled is not a passionate person. So that is the paragraph from this book that I wanted to share with you today. And I thought that it was very interesting, and the lesson that he teaches about passion is applicable not only to romantic relationships, but also to our relationship to life itself. When we are a passionate person, a truly passionate person, we are long-suffering and we work hard through the ups and the downs, and it's more like a quiet and long-term idea, this idea of true passion. And in that example that he gave us, there was that couple whose so-called passion was really just a pseudo-passion, a fake passion, and it was very chaotic and loud and obnoxious. But real passion is quiet and works hard day and night to achieve a certain goal, whether that goal is a successful relationship or some other type of career-related goal or professional goal or personal life goal. And I think that if we exercise passion in our own lives, this true, quiet, and controlled passion, even if it's not visible on the surface right away, even if we don't see the effects of our hard work that is so controlled and long-suffering and long-term, even if we don't see the effects of that right away, slowly and gradually, that passion builds up to create something amazing and beautiful. And that's why true passion is associated with commitment, long-term commitment, whether in regards to a relationship with another person or to one's relationship with one's work or one's dream or goal in one's own life. And so I wanted to use this video to encourage you to try to exercise controlled long-term passion in your life and see how that passion grows and grows over time. Even though the results might not be visible to you right away, it's a slow process of growth. And that's what real passion is all about. It's not about doing something just on a whim one day and expecting something great to happen overnight, because that is transitory passion. It's not real passion, it's pseudo-passion. So I wanted to encourage you to try to cultivate real passion in your life and be committed to something or someone for a longer term through the ups and downs. Be long-suffering, because being long-suffering is associated with real passion. And that is my message for today about what real passion is. Real passion is quiet and controlled. It's not loud and whimsical. It is quiet and controlled. I hope that my video today inspired you very much to try to be passionate in the true way. And with that, I'd like to wish you a wonderful day, afternoon, evening, or whatever it is, wherever you are in the world.